Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky weekly on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Bluesky and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.